Ladies and gentlemen, this is Jazzman. Welcome to World of Guns. Today, I thought we would start off with the quiz. In this quiz, you'll recognize a model by its shaded outline. Models are chosen at random. If your guess is correct, next image will appear. Models will appear until you make a mistake or enter the time limit. 30 seconds expires. For each correct guess, you'll see 300 XP. If you make a mistake, you'll get nothing. Be fast, and you'll get yourself a fat prize. A new quiz is available every 60 minutes. My goodness. That's not a 19. Oh, it's the TT. Well, that was... Oh. Well, I made a mistake, guys. Booster. Purchase. That's all XP, remember? Oh, no. I'm not buying that. No. Special operations. Form special. Close. Okay. Well, like I promised, here we go. We are unlocking the HK MP5 Field Strip. And now we gotta download. While this is downloading, I will be right back. My apologies, it was hot in here and I turned the fan on. That's my kick. All right. All right. Clip. Wait, what is this? Locking pin. Okay, what's next? The back plate assembly. Oh. Then we got the bolt carrier, rake hole spring guide rod, the bolt head, the locking piece, the trigger assembly, trigger group assembly, the grip housing, and there we go. It has been field stripped. Now we got to assemble this bad boy. So, put the grip housing back on, reattach the trigger group assembly. What do we do here? Boop. Put the spring rod back in. Reattach the locking piece. Reattach the bolt head. Re-put in the bolt carrier. Reattach the back plate assembly. What? Oh. And then the locking pin. And then finally, the magazine. Alright. Okay. I'm going to go back very quickly. Where is the options? That's not it. I do not know where the options are. Oh, let's reload this. Guess we'll just go into disassembly. Like the pause. There we go. Turn up the music volume. Turn up the sound. Alright. Now we gotta strip this bad boy down. Magazine. Magazine assembly. Alright. this out. Deattach this. Is there anything on here we need to get off? Alright, so that's disassembled. Oh, wait a minute. I know. Boom. Take this piece off. Take these out. Take the pin out. Like nothing else. Alright. Take out the spring. Take this out. And this. Alright, that's been taken apart. Let's get this out of there. Take that apart. Take off the ejector. I'm gonna eject the ejector. Take off the hammer and release lever. Take that spring off. Alright, anything else down here? Yep. No, not there. Take out this assembly. Oh, gotta take this out. The catch with roller assembly. Here, I gotta take it off. No. Nothing left here. Oh, maybe. Nope. Oh, drop the forearm assembly. Pull out the cap. The front sight tower. See if there's anything inside there. No. Take out the barrel. Anything on the barrel? No. Take out the cock lever housing. Take out the cock lever support. The rear sight assembly. Take out the magazine release. I don't know what else to take out. Take off. I guess I need a hint. Oh, think about that. X-ray. That's a cool mode. But I still... Haha! Dude, that X-ray mode's awesome. And there it is. HK, MP5, Disassembler. Alright. Let's put her back together! Okay. First of all, let's just get the mag in. That way I get that part out of the way. The rear side assembly. No. It is reattach the cock and lever support. Reattach the cock and lever housing. Reattach the barrel. Reattach the front sight. Reattach the cap. Reattach the forearm housing. Alright. Put all this back in. Reassemble this. Reassemble that. Put this in here. Re-put these in here. Put that there. Put this here. Okay. Okay. Now I need to get over here. Oh. Reattach this stuff. The magazine release assembly. Reattach this little piece. Reattach the catch with roller assembly. Reattach the trigger and sear. Put the hammer assembly back in. Reattach the ejector. And now reattach the grip housing. Reattach it to the main body. Now we reattach the bolt carrier. Now we reattach the backplate assembly. Aha, let's forget about this again. The locking pin. And now the magazine. Bada bing, my HK MP5. Alright, let's operate this bad boy. Let's listen to it. Single fire. When I wasn't very loud. Come on. There we go. Fire this bad boy. Now we gotta switch it to auto. Yeah! Reload. Unload. Oh! Retractable stock. Oh! Suppressor. Oh, we gotta hear this now. Oh! Oh! Awesome. Put the scope on it. Oh, that's smexy. Fixed stock. Oh! Take the scope off. Fixed stock off? How do I attach the flashlights? Ugh! Apologies. My phone. Hung up. What? Don't care. Wish they would get that. Could attach that flashlight. Oh! Look at that! Look at that! Look at it! And then, of course, a laser. Star Wars. And then safety. Exit. And I think we should have a little fun. We should play a little game. Should we not? Oh yeah. Alright. 3, 2, here we go. Okay. Here we go. Take this off. This out. That off. Okay. Alright. Take this off. Get that spring out of there. Come on, spring. That. Get this out of here. And then take off on that. Alright. The magazine clip. The rear sight. That off. Alright. Like a pro. Like a pro. Yeah. What's left? What's left? What's left? What's left? It has to be something obvious. Ah. 5. Give me a hint. Oh. No hint. There's one. That was it? There's 5 parts in that little thing? That assembled. That assembled. Come on. Put it back in, and then reattach this. Put this in. Okay, come on. Oh man, can I beat 2 minutes? Can I beat 2 minutes? Come on. Oh no, we need to attach this. Come on, I feel it. I can feel I can beat 2 minutes. I feel it in my bones. I feel it. I got the power! Go. Get in there. Oh my goodness, under 2 minutes. Yeah! Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, that has been the HK MP5. Woohoo! Thank you for watching.